and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Gold and silver prices continue to soar to new life highs on Tuesday as we speak. Gold prices have hurtled past $4,700 an ounce mark, which happens to be its key level amid the concerns over US demands for Greenland that kept traders broadly risk-averse and pinned to safe havens. We have seen bullion remain well bid as uncertainty over Trump's plans for Greenland spurred more safe haven buying. We have seen that Trump now is headed to World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, where US President is likely to meet several European leaders. Meanwhile, we saw silver, although having touched a life high close to $95 an ounce, slipped slightly below $93.50 an ounce on Tuesday, although still remaining closer to the life high levels. Trump threatened 8 European countries that oppose his plan with new tariff, while European leaders weighed options for possible retaliation. Meanwhile, we saw even platinum prices slipping around $2,340 an ounce, but staying close to the record levels as heightened US-Europe tension over President Trump's threats to acquire Greenland boosted the safe haven demand for the entire precious metals gamut. Meanwhile, in industrial metals, we saw some profit taking happening after previous sessions recovery. Copper was largely range bound on Tuesday, although it is hovering below $13,000 a ton mark. We saw that investors awaited fresh catalysts to push the price to break through in either direction. A rebound in London copper on Monday lost the steam as investors remain cautious in the midst of the geopolitical risk, which is largely favoring precious metals. We saw Monday rebound was supported by weaker dollar after US President Donald Trump threatened additional tariffs as part of his push to take over Greenland, while the data revealed China's economy showed resilience by hitting its growth target in 2025. Nickel prices fell to around $17,800 a ton, reversing from an over 19-month high of $18,700 which it touched last week as traders booked profits and demand in China showed signs of softening. Iron ore prices have also fallen towards 800 Chinese yuan a ton mark, hitting a 2-week low after the first shipment from Guinea's mine arrived in eastern China over the weekend, with a second shipment having departed late last year. Arrivals have significantly boosted the supply, with port inventories in China climbing to around 155 million tons, which happens to be its highest level since April 2022. Coming on to energy space, we saw oil prices largely holding the level of $64 a barrel mark as far as Brent crude prices are concerned, after better than expected economic growth data coming from China, which happened to lift the demand optimism. Although the markets are watching President Donald Trump's threats of increased US tariff on European nations. WTI contract did not settle on Monday due to US Martin Luther King Jr. Day holiday. And natural gas prices have surged by more than 17% to $3.65 per MMBTU mark, rebounding from a 13-week low last week as an intensifying Arctic outbreak grips the United States.